Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. Quick and fast. In that video, yeah, Footah speak out against a thief, a robber them, where I rob the donators and the volunteers and where I fly from foreign. And I come to help the Jamaican people them in a time of need, in a crisis. The man them a thief the people them cell phone and wallet and money. What wrong with them money, man? Jeez, yo. And he also talk about the government and some bag of money that is being donated. Even one man give 20 mil. But me now hold on up. Here where my
This. How on earth can you have it in your brain to rob the people and carry things come going for free? This come like ya jump a fence for going out and dance so the gate open. This come like ya jump a fence for go in and dance so the gate open. Now tell me now, if God want to kill them the boy they know, me to pray for them, me should pray for them there? No man. The people them buy, how much you plane ticket? People have to get up and go walk up and down and buy goods and pack it and sell it and buy plane ticket and come to Jamaica to get a help in hand. And una go rob the people them, thief them phone, thief all of them money, everything. And una want to talk to me about my statement to me did say? Say me I left it to God, me not pray for no blood. Me I leave it to the Almighty to deal with who him say just to deal with and make him like who live and who he want to rub out him rub out. How me become the bad prophet that? I that me want to know. Tell me now, them the boy there, will rob the girl. Which prayers them forget? Who to pray for them? Who? My prayers to go for them? That can make sense. The people them take them hard earn money and them something and buy it. You know what kind of message that I send outside of Jamaica, Reggie? Oh, what kind of message that I send? What kind of look that? What kind of message you know I send to the world? You think say the people them where come donate to Jamaica, all of them rich? Alright, you don't know how hungry I run a foreign right now? You don't know how hungry I run rampant a foreign? You don't know how hungry. First thing, Donald Trump cut everything June 1st. That Medicaid, everything I take away. Food stamp, everything. You don't know what I go put a stop order on them thing yesterday, make it not go through. You don't know what I go. How can you see people that come invest them time and them money and them effort to help you know, and rob the people them? How that work? But when me make my statement, some people are go. Let me tell you with some of them people, yeah, them are just hypocrite. Some people are going to come on social media and say what they want, what they think everybody want hear them say. Me not have time for that. Me I gotta talk it real and keep it real. You hear that? Me not want nobody think say. Me I come here so if you come talk politically correct, so they like me. Me not try to see nobody like me. The truth me I talk. And not everybody at Jamaica deserve that prayer. Some of them fi go. Some of them fi go. God fi get rid of them. Or Sunday. Let me calm down. Keep forgetting it's Sunday. God fi get rid of some of them. And this is my statement again. I'm going to say it 1 million times. Anybody God want get rid of me no business. And anybody God want to live with business. When God a work, me nah blood, me nah interfere. God do what you do. Look how cruel this is. The girl them them first time I got Jamaica. And a vacation them go on, and a dream weekend them go, and a passa, and a weddy, and a bossy Tuesday them go for help. And carry goods and things. I want to take the goods them, rob the girl them money, and take out them phone and left them stranded in an island bamboo. Like, seriously? Oh, me feel cool with that. Someone are just hypocrite are going like a be good people in Jamaica. Some of the drunker them feel wash away. Some of the dirty, wicked drunker them feel drown and dead. Left good people alone. Leave good people alone. Some of them need to leave the earth. You know how painful it is when we get a call a while ago? Me not even know the people them. And me them a call. A Footah hype them a call now. Big idiot thing. But anyway, from the subject of money, make all a small reasoning before my guest ready. Let me see if you're ready. See if my guest ready. No, I'm not ready yet. From the subject of money, don't them say Jamaica go cashless. The current government is pushing cashless society, right? Let me ask you now a magic question. If Jamaica was fully cashless at this moment, with no light and no internet in 90% of Jamaica, what would happen? That question is for me. If Jamaica was fully cashless, with no internet and no light, what would happen? Everybody just oh, please mash up and oh, Footah, heartless Footah. Uno now ask the real question then. Ask the real question now. The current government is pushing for a cashless society. What about natural disasters like this? When there is no internet and there is no light. I don't think someone will understand the purpose of why God made me be alive in this time, at this time. I don't think you understand why I am alive with this amount of power from the social media in this time, at this time. Next subject. I want to know an answer for that, you know. Next subject. Ask yourself, how is it that we have Digicel and we have Flow who provides the country with internet? But during this disaster, Digicel was helpless, Flow was helpless, but Starlink is the only thing we can get internet anywhere. And Starlink is owned by Elon Musk. Wanna ask that? Wanna ask them question there? Wanna stop and ask that question there? Wanna not understand that. So now, because of the catastrophe, Starlink is presented to the people as the ultimate internet. So every common man are going to get Starlink. And that's powered by Elon Musk. When you see what Elon Musk and Bill Gates them a do all around the world, right? So it not look no way too, no? It not look no way too, no? This not look like them are leading into the direction of dealing with Elon Musk, putting Elon Musk in our house, in everybody's phone, in everybody's house. When you think about that? When you not think about that? Next question we have for you. American plane land at Jamaica with maybe 300 disaster preparedness people. El Salvador plane land with an next 300. Them come with them own equipment, them own dog, them own everything. So how when me I look in a road, all now me not see none of them in a road nowhere. I do nothing. That about 600 of them, you know. 2 plane load, you know. So why me still a hear say resources can't reach certain part of Jamaica? What the equipment now when they fly down with? Where power saw with JDF have and them something there. How it not move into action yet? How me not see the road flooded with them 600 international people here will come down. What go on? Me not understand. I got ask you the next logical question now. Because them say me a madman, you know. Them say me a idiot. Them say my baby mother old and mad me because she left me, right? Good. But let me ask you something. And this is not a labor rights statement or a PNP statement. This is a logical statement. What day when election are gone and campaign are gone, we see 1 million bus, both PNP bus, labor right bus. We see 1 million bike, labor right bike, PNP bike. We see 1 million vaxi bus, labor right vaxi, PNP vaxi. How a natural disaster like this, we not see no bus, we not see nothing roll out. The government buy some school buses the other day. No school now go on now. Why the bus them not in the road mobilize and carry people, go help people? Why we not here say go to half a tree, 10 yellow bus I go out there and we carrying people to Westmoreland. And they here say out a crossroad, 10 bus there we are carrying people go Chilani. 10 more bus out there we are carrying people go a Galtico Bay. We have 10 more bus we are carrying people at Black River. How we not see that? How is the government not mobilized? One to the bus them, the JUTC bus them, this is a state of emergency. Nothing else is more important than the recovery of the country right now. You can stop school and everything. You can shut down the country now. So build together. Where are the government buses? Me see, Beanie Man, the first man me see jump out, have bus of goods, car full of goods, one Alfa Romeo car in Benz van, one Noah van, one Beamer, and Beanie Man was able to reach the country. So how now I'm hearing through the grapevine, the Prime Minister is saying that they are going to airlift goods and go over the areas and drop the food and give the people them. No disrespect, but we don't look like Somalia, brother. If Sher them, Sher, the little dancer, can load a coaster bus of people, load a van full of food, load 10 car full of things, and drive, go deliver it, why you can't reach all that work? Me see the little youth name Pops YG. Remember me not to follow them up because them are TikTok people. I'm afraid that everybody over TikTok. Me say Pops YG saying drive. Go down to Westmoreland. Go give away food. So how the government cannot reach the place them? If regular civilian are reach, how the government cannot reach? You know why we ask more important questions again? You know why we ask more important questions? 2 seconds, Black God. 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
Usual. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts, your views, and your opinion. Be safe out there. On your way out, leave a small like, a small subscribe. I'm out.